Today, we're diving into the world of ATMs and how they work, using a 3D model to make it super simple. And in just a minute, you'll have a full idea of these cash dispensing machines. So, ATMs, or automated teller machines, are a big deal in our daily lives, right? Ever thought about how they actually work? Well, let's break it down with a 3D model, no kidding. Alright, check this out. Here's a simplified 3D model of an ATM. On the inside, we've got some key stuff going on. The card reader, this is where you slide in your bank card. It's all about reading your card's vibes and making sure it's you. The cash dispenser, this is where the magic goes down. It's the safe that keeps your cash and gives it back to you, no fuss. The keypad, you punch in your secret PIN here, keeping things super tight. The screen, this is where you chat with the ATM, pick your moves, and check what's in your account. Now, let's get into how this all connects. So, when you pop your card and punch in your PIN, the ATM has a secret chat with your bank's computer. It's all about making sure you're legit. Data rolls super safe through the network, so your bank can double-check everything. Now, when all's clear, the ATM's cash dispenser does its thing. It counts your cash and hands it over, just like that. And bingo! Your deal's done. And you're holding your cash. But hold up, ATMs don't mess around with security. They've got cameras, encryption, and all that jazz to guard your moolah. If this stuff clicked with you, hit that like button, share it with your buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and chill videos.